Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be showing you how to update drivers on devices such as microphones, webcams, anything that you basically plug in USB wise. Now there's two different types of, I don't want to say two different types of drivers, but two different ways to update a program in a way. I guess I want to say, so like I have Corsair, for example. Let's say if my headset's giving me issues, I usually just go through here, see what's up. Maybe I have something muted, or the mic or the thing's off, or something like that. This launches, and if there's like a firmware update or something, I do it through this software. This is just like the basic drivers through Windows, and that's just the operating system detecting the device and recognizing what the device is, if that makes sense. So to do that, you want to go to, this is on Windows 10 by the way, but it's basically around the same kind of setup or concept through Windows 7 and whatnot. I do not know how to do it through Mac, so I won't be able to help you through that, but if I find a link or something helpful down in the description, or online, I'll throw it down in the description, my bad. Let me just adjust this here so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to go down here into the search bar down at the bottom left, and I'm going to do device manager. And this is, you want to go to control panel, click on that, and it should bring up a window. So I'm going to maximize this and adjust this down again. So to check like audio inputs and outputs, you want to go here, and this will display any hardware that has detected. So these are like my headset, my voids. This is my old headphones, or no, I'm sorry, I messed that up. This is the microphone on the headset, and then this is the actual earbuds or earphones that's detecting on the headset as well. And it will actually categorize it, as you can tell, like what is a headset, gaming headset, and what is a microphone by itself. And then what is an actual output, just an output. In this case, to check the drivers, you can click on the thing and go up here where it says update device drivers. It's going to be, oh, you guys can't even see it, my bad, hold on. Okay, so you select the device and you can go up here. It's like a little router with a green light and with an arrow pointing up. I'll try to zoom in on the video, but it says update device driver. You can click on that, and this will bring up Windows. So everything's working on my end, but if you run into an issue where a device isn't working, this is one good way to troubleshoot it. Let's say if the files did not install properly, or there was a firmware update and it was working before but now it's not working, something goes wrong essentially. This is a good way to troubleshoot it. So you have two options here: search automatically for updates for driver software, or browse my computer for driver software, locate and install software manually. Usually Windows is pretty good at this, so I just click this, searching online for drivers. And if it finds any online by itself, it will actually tell you what the installation is, what software update it is, and install the update. So this might take a few minutes, but as you can tell, audio endpoint, Windows has determined that the best driver for this device is already installed. There may be better drivers on Windows Update or on the device manufacturer website. So this is just referring to or saying that as of right now, the drivers for this headset is as good as they get, and unless you haven't updated your Windows at all, like if there's a Windows update and you haven't updated yet, if you update, there could be an update for the drivers, or in this case, like I said before, driver device manufacturer website. So I'm just gonna close out of this. That's just basically meaning, so in this case for my headset would be the IQ software, because that is made from Corsair, and that's what communicates my device to Windows essentially, so I can do different stuff. But that is basically it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I hope this video helped, and if you have any questions or concerns, just leave them down in the comments, and like I said, I'm more than happy to help. Leave a like if this video helped you, or if you like this kind of content. This helps me decide what to throw up on this channel. And with that said, I'll see you guys next week.